Hey there, everyone. Leigh Goldstein for 10-Minute Trades. Welcome to the Trade of the Week. And this is an easy one and an excellent one to show you. U.S. retail sales has had 5 out of 6 winners in the past 6 months. That's what we call a family money trade. And U.S. retail absolutely was a family money trade. Let me show you. 8:30 comes along. The news comes out. And what's going to happen is the price is going to go up. It's going to push. It fills us, immediately reverses, which is what we want to see a trap trade do. By the way, we were testing bonds on the right. Our bond setup made money as well. And then we were able to bring our stop to safety on the trap trade, trail for a profit of over $300. Obviously, everybody doesn't make $300. Some people make more, some people make less. But the beauty of it is it was a perfect trap trade. U.S. retail, our trade of the week. Don't forget, it's earnings season. Keep an eye on the info in this email. Get signed up as a pro member. Don't miss out on all these great opportunities coming up for earnings season. I want to see you in the trade room so I can teach you how to take these trades. U.S. retail, our trade of the week, and earnings season is back. So let's get going and join up as a pro member right now.